Hey guys, my name is Jose Martin Ruiz, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about our group assignment overview. In the next couple of slides, I'll be introducing myself. I'm going to be talking about my sustainability experience and how I can contribute to the group. So, a little bit about me. I'm a second year as an MBA student. I work full time in Menlo Park as a system analyst at Boston Scientific. Early in my career, I worked for a company called Rising Sun Energy Center in Berkeley, California, as a leader in staff training for a CYES program. This was kind of like my first exposure to the sustainability efforts to conserve water and energy as mandated by the state of California for the Bay Area. The program was funded by PG&E and state local governments. Some background on the program included formal sustainability presentations for households, energy water consumption assessments with same visit upgrades. So this is something that I've kind of been exposed to, and the amount of regions that this program has expanded to include Sonoma County, mostly the Bay Area, and also recently the San Joaquin County. Okay, so how I can contribute to the team. Some of my efforts here include networking with some of these folks that can kind of give us an insight of government policy for nonprofit programs. This is something that can be vital for us to learn more of the legal policy to ensure the state of California upholds residents to contribute. Another skill of mine is researching facts, data, and articles. So I'm very analytical in supporting information on our stance or policies and also principles related to sustainability, effective communication, uh, very flexible in scheduling for you guys for business Skype and Zoom meetings, providing feedback to move forward and execute. So this is kind of relating to my PM skills. Very reliable in helping groups, ensuring that we meet the goals and objectives of this project. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Again, my name is Jose Martin Ruiz, and I look forward to working with you guys soon. Thanks.